Good morning, everyone. My name is Alexandra, and today I will be showing you how I get my blonde buzz cut, how I maintain it basically. But today I actually got new clippers and a new toner. So it's also going to be kind of like a try haul slash unboxing, if you will. So as you can see, my hair is pretty short and blonde already. I normally wait 7 days in between doing this. I did clip my hair 4 days ago, but it grows super duper fast. And you can't tell, but like there's already a lot of black coming in. And I could wait easily for like 3 more days, but I'm bored today and I want to make this video and I wanted to go to Sally's. So there you go. So I spent way more money at Sally's than I needed to, but, anyway, for one, here are the new clippers. It's I don't know if you pronounce it whale, but yeah, they look really cool. So, and of course I chose it because it was pretty and it wasn't the most expensive one. It was like in between. So, oh, and then puppy. There's this moopity boop pupperoni. Her name is Winnie, but we call her Chicken Nugget. Chicken Nugget is her real unofficial name. So anyway, let's open these clippers and prepare for our day of transformation. Okay. So dun 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 dun. Well, if I can do this with one hand, we will see. Hey, did you know? But did you though? I'm not gonna read all this because I'm not that person. But ooh, so pretty. Okay, so it is cordless, it is red, it is snazzy. We actually already have 2 pairs of clippers that are my husband's, but I don't like it because they pull on my hair, they don't hold a charge, and they're kind of uneven. So I'm just gonna leave those to him, and this is gonna be mine because he actually has long hair. But he has a beard that he maintains with clippers. So I'll use these on my head and he can use those on his body and face, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Oh, they have 1.5. That's so cool. I only had 1 and 2 in the last half. Okay. No! Oh, there are the rest. Okay. So there's like the oil to maintain it. There's like a comb. There's instructions that we are not going to read. And then here are the rest of the guards. So I always use a 1 guard, but it's nice to now have 1.5. That's actually really cool. But my hair's probably at a 1.5 right now, so I'm gonna use a 1 because otherwise there won't be that big of a change. Is you cute? Is you pitiful? It's because it's raining and we can't go outside and play. I can't speak to animals in a normal voice. It's a real problem. But anyway, I am going to, oh, where's the charger actually? I am going to charge these clippers and then we will get started. And I will also try to do a look after I'm done transforming my hair. So makeup and everything to look glam. Trying to make myself feel pretty. I'm waiting on a modeling job contract to come through, so I'm stressed and I want to pay attention to something else. So anyway, so here's everything that I will be using today. The new products are this and this toner that looks so white and pearlescent. It's not pink. I know the box is pink, but it comes across like a pearlescent blonde. I also got this, which I use hair oil all the time for my scalp, but I haven't tried this one yet. Also got this to clean my new clippers. She said that was important. And then something I've used for a while now is the Bright White Ion cream bleach, and I always use 20 volume developer because 10 isn't enough and 30 scares me. I also have a ton of masks that I use. I used this one this morning. Every time I do a mask, I leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse it off. In between bleaching and toning, and then after toning, I will use a combination of these 2 because This one is really accessible. I highly recommend. Not too expensive, works great. That and the Nexus brand. Olaplex, probably won't order it again, but still really good. So here we go. I love the red guard on it. Oh, so pretty. Wait, there's something stuck in it actually. Wait, is that? No, that's part of it. I thought there was something stuck, but see that little dot? I was like, is there something stuck in there? But no. Okay, first of all, I always put these clippers all the way down just cause I'm gonna leave them like that. Just because my hair is really short, but I don't want like clean shave, you know? I like to have my fuzzy little head. So anyway, put that there. We have the one guard. Depending upon jobs I'll have in the future for modeling, I will maybe use the 1.5. It depends. We will see. Oh, such a satisfying click into place. So there you go. Wait, what does this do? Oh, that's intense. I'm actually a little nervous. That's so stupid. I already have no hair, but yeah, I'm nervous because I've used like shitty clippers. So oh, I missed some last time. So just so you know, shaved my head 4 days ago and I already have this much hair growth. So it really happens super fast. When you keep your hair short, you really notice it. And ooh, that's such a clean shave. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, the shave is so good and clean and just everything. Oh my gosh, so much better. Now my husband's gonna wanna like take my clippers because they're so good, holy shit. Okay, so this is the hardest part, the crown of your head. It's easy to miss because like I have a little indent up there. So yeah. Okay. Oh, looking so good and clean. I love it. I love the feeling of a fresh shaved head. Okay.
I wake up and the first thing I grab is my phone. Get sucked into a dimension where I have a clone. She's perfect and she's pretty and so well known. Everyone loves her more than my own. It's a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. With that smile on her face, she always gets the guy.
But the real girl sitting back at home, staring at the pictures on her phone. She's mentally unstable and all on her own. She's
Okay, so I think we're good. This actually feels like a closer shave than my last one, so the guards might be slightly different. But you know, it goes back fast, so. Yeah, this is definitely a closer shave that's like really tight. I mean, I don't hate it, but I do usually like a little more hair, so I probably will in the future with this one use the 1.5 guard. But like I said, in a week my hair will be back, you know. Still, I really like it though. It feels good and it looks really clean. Okay, so need to clean these clippers and then we will get on to the bleaching. So what we're gonna do is a 1:2 ratio. I find that the 1:1 is just like too hard on my scalp. So I will mix this up, slap it on my head and come back. Okay, so I made about this much. It's like a tiny little bit because obviously I don't have that much hair. And normally I would leave this on. If I had waited 3 more days, I would leave this on for like 25 minutes. But I think I'm only gonna leave it on for 15 because my hair is still pretty thin blonde and we're gonna tone it. So Man, that is short, but I like it. Like it's, oh, I'm also gonna do my eyebrows because the lighting in here is terrible. Because I didn't do them enough last time. So also if you hear noises, I have some guys working downstairs, so they're putting in like a water filter. So I'm just not helping them. Okay, it's mixed up. Should look like this. I can never get it completely smooth. You want it as smooth as possible though. You don't want the chunks. But then I just take it in my hands and slather it on until you have like a helmet. And keep massaging it as you're going about this because it froths up and kind of like will avoid your like the darker roots sometimes in that manner. So if you hear my dog barking, she is upset that we have visitors. Our visitors they're like family. They're our ranch manager. I grew up on a horse ranch, and I now live with my husband, but our horse ranch is about 30 minutes away, so whenever we need them, we call the guys over to help. So I don't know why she still barks at them because they're family. She's known them since she was like 2 months old when we got her. Okay, I'm waiting my 15 minutes. It'll be less for my eyebrows. Those process a lot faster, and be very careful not to get it in your eye. Just like you have to be really strategic about where you put it. So just so you know, because my hair is so short and I shave it every week, my hair doesn't like break off because it's new growth that's bleached every time. But if you are bleaching your hair and you have longer hair, it is super damaging and will make your hair feel gummy and awful. So be very careful. Don't do it often. Always, if you're doing the blonde buzz cut, always buzz your old hair off before you do the bleach. Otherwise, you're just gonna have breakage and icky spots. So yeah. And while I'm waiting for my bleach to process, I open this bad boy up. It has the instructions on the inside of the box, which great for not making extra plastic or anything in the world, but also when you rip it, it's kind of messy and hard to see some things. But I'm going to do the 20 volume for 30 minutes. So it is a 1-to-1 ratio as well. Okay, I just washed out the bleach. You want to use very conditioning shampoo. I have no eyebrows, I know that. Yeah, so it got really, really white. Oh, greatest love. Bleach all up my ear. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the Dumb Blonde mask in my hair for 30 minutes with some oil to give my scalp a break, and then we will tone to get the pearlescent vibes. Okay, so I am extremely blonde, and I actually like the shade of blonde just from bleach. I have yellow hair conditioning scalp mask on right now. But I just want to try this new toner. So really, like, you could stop here because it's really bright blonde. But if you want to get rid of the yellows, I advise stay away from actually ash pitifuls. Stay away from things that add ash because it actually darkens your hair, like gives it a gray tone. So if you want that silvery gray, go for it, but it will dim how bright your hair is. So I've learned that I don't like doing things with ash. I prefer pearlescent or bright golden tones. My eyebrows there's always some black ones that just don't, no matter what I do. So annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna wait 20 minutes so my scalp can rest, rinse this out, and then we will tone. Okay, so we are back after the mask, and my hair feels so soft and good. Like, it feels like I didn't do anything to it. Also, ended up leaving it on my eyebrows the same amount of time as my hair. Turns out my eyebrows are super stubborn. So up until now, I've had darker eyebrows and lighter hair, but I just wanted to try something new. So here is the little bit of toner, the pearlescent toner with 20 volume developer. I'm going to mix this up and probably leave it on for 30 minutes, but I'm going to check every 10 to make sure it's not doing anything I don't like. This is a new product for me. Hard to mix. So, but as you can see, I already have a really nice blonde, so sometimes you can stop through. And I will be putting this on my eyebrows too, because I like my eyebrows to match my hair. It just is what it is. Okay, wipe the brush off on my head, set it down, slather like before, except this shouldn't be as damaging, so you don't have to be as like careful, I guess. I use the Wella toners usually, but ever since I did this light of blonde, I haven't liked them because they're too ashy. Like when you have longer hair and you want that ashy blonde, the Wella toners are great, but yeah, I haven't liked them with my blonde buzz cut. So okay, last little bit. Whoop, I dropped someone before, that's fine, nobody's gonna know. Okay, again, helmet. And now I'm just gonna like put it on my eyebrows really quick. Yeah, but in the store, this was so white and pearlescent and I got so excited. I wasn't planning on buying a new toner, but this just looked so wicked cool. I was like, yes, please, give me some of that. Let's do this. Might as well try it for y'all so I can tell y'all if it's good or not, right? Bringing you all the product realness now. And yes, this takes a very long time and I have to do it every week. So before you get a buzz cut, please consider that. Like if you want to if you're gonna buzz it and then grow it out, that's a different story. But if you're gonna maintain a buzz cut, it takes a lot of work. It takes like a full day, once a week. Luckily I'm in quarantine and I don't have anything else to do. Mood. Okay, so I'm just letting this do its thing, just chilling with my puppy. I will probably rinse this out, do another 20-30 minute mask, and then hop in the shower and then get ready and do my makeup so I actually look cute and not like a little egg. I look like an egg. Okay, so update. I have a mask on now. I rinsed out the toner. I have a little mask on my eyebrows, but you can see they're extremely light. I don't know if I like the light eyebrows. I think in the future I might keep them darker because it kind of looks like I have no eyebrows. But for now it's okay because I can just pencil them in. But yeah, still looking like an egg. I'm gonna wait till the guys are done downstairs because I don't want to come down there looking with this all slathered all over me, and then take a shower and then chill for a bit, then do my makeup because I have an appointment I need to go to. My appointment is I'm getting waxed, so I 110% do not need to put makeup on for that. But to finish the video, I feel like I want to serve a look. So also, I just want to comment on the toner. I'm not a fan. It did give pearlescence, lighten it a little bit. Seems kind of uneven and like it didn't do that much. So personally, I won't be using this toner again. Dramatic. But you know, if you want to try it, maybe it'll do different things on your hair. And here is the final look. My hair turned out not as white as I thought, but still pearlescent. Eyebrows, I had to color them in darker because I looked like an egg. But yeah. I don't know what that was. But yeah, so if you want to look like an egg like me, again, wouldn't recommend the toner, but would recommend the bleach, and every other product really. The hair oil was good too. Bye.
She's got tears in her eyes. She cries every night. 'Cause life ain't what it was supposed to be. So she dresses up and fakes it